celebrate. Mom, you're the best, there's no debate. We've got the cake, and we've got the cheer. It's your special moment, the best time of the year. You light up our lives every single day. Now it's time to shout, and here's what we say. Happy birthday, Mom, happy birthday, Mom. We love you so much, you're second to none. Happy birthday, Mom, happy birthday, Mom. Let's dance, let's sing, the party's just begun. With a smile so bright, guiding us through, making everything right. Today it's all about you, the queen of the day. Let's keep the joy coming in every way. You light up our lives every single day. Now it's time to shout, and here's what we say. Happy birthday, Mom, happy birthday, Mom. We love you so much, you're second to none. Happy birthday, Mom, happy birthday, Mom. Let's dance, let's sing, the party's just begun. With a smile so bright, guiding us through, making everything right. Today it's all about you, the queen of the day. Let's keep the joy coming in every way. You light up our lives every single day. Now it's time to shout, and here's what we say. Happy birthday, Mom, happy birthday, Mom. We love you so much, you're second to none. Happy birthday, Mom, happy birthday, Mom. Let's dance, let's sing, the party's just begun.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Yan. We wish you all the best. Ano yun, man? Good health?
Good health. And tabi magparapagal permi.
Yan. And
Pahingalo.
yan. Chill na lang, Mama. Dahil na po magpara-work. Yan. Enjoy your day.
Ayun na po, ma.
We love you. Love you, love you.
Salamat po sa pag-alaga. So,
Love you, Mama.
hayaan mo po, makulitan siya.
Bye-bye.
Love you po, ma.
I love you.
Happy birthday, Kirara. Happy birthday. Love you, ma.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Ma! We love you!
We love you, Ma.
Mag-ingat kayo lagi. Take our vitamins and your medicine. Kamangduan ni Papa. And we'll see you soon. Thank you so much for everything.
What's your message for Lola?
We love you. Say hi, Kian.
Or any wish or prayer for Lola?
And what you will say to Lola? Love you, Ma.
Ingat
and
po.
Pa, ingat lagi. Take care of yourself. Kayong dalawa and lahat dyan sa family. Bye! Love you guys! We'll see you soon! Big face!
Happy birthday po, Malula. Happy birthday po, Malula. Happiest birthday po, Malula. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Manola. Happy birthday po. We love you and hopefully we see you soon.
Happy birthday! Wish me po sa imo na sana dakol pa kitang i-celebrate na birthday mo. Dakol ka pa pong i-blow na candles. Gabos pong wish mo sana matupad. And syempre, ang pinaka-importante is good health and long life. And syempre, more monies to come. More birthdays and blessings. Happy birthday, Ma! And sana maugma ka po yan sa birthday mo. And thank you sa gabos man ng blessing na tinataong mansa mo. God bless po. Thank you.
Hi Mama Lola, happy birthday po. Thank you po sa lahat ng love and support mo sa aming mga apo mo. Wishing you more years of good health and happiness. And sana po lagi po kayong strong and masaya. And may God continue to bless you with long, joyful life. Enjoy your day po, Mama!
1, 2, 3, go.
Hi Malola, happy birthday po. Deka na Malola, magparainom na ko. Imbis din na po magtaas ang sugar mo.
More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday po, Malola. May all your dreams come true.
Love it.
Happy birthday!
to you.
Salamat po Malola.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Ma. Salamat.
Hi po, Malola. Happy birthday po. Ang wish ko po sana po, dakol pang birthday na mag-abot. Dakol pang order na mag-abot sa handicraft. Tapos sana po, dahil na magpara soft drinks. Salamat man po sa mga tab-tabang na tinawag mo sa mga. Tapos, pagpadaba, yun lang po. Happy birthday po, Girara. I love you po, Malola.
Hello po Malola, si Shire po to in case yun ulit ako mamukaan. I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. I wish you all the best and good health. I love you po and please retire soon because you need to rest. And yeah, I love you.
Happy birthday, Tabi, Ma. We love you po.
Happy 75th birthday, Tabi Ma.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama Lola. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. We love you.
We know that parang we don't see each other often po, pero I wish you the best. Thank you for everything that you've done for us. And
Thank you.
we hope that you have very good health and very good success.
Thank you, Ma. Love you.
Love you po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Live long. Stay healthy.
Mama, chuk-chuk. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tabi Malola. Thank you for your love and care for our family. We pray for your good health and happiness always. Happy birthday po ulit.
Sige, go.
Ma, happy birthday.
Maraming salamat.
Ma, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa mga tulong mo sa pamilya ko, sa mga anak ko, at sa mga kapatid ko, at sa mga apo mo. Sana nasa mabuti kang, palagi kang malakas,
Walang sakit.
walang sakit.
Yan na, maraming salamat.
Ma, I love you. Salamat sa mga tulong.
Salamat sa suporta.
Salamat sa suporta. I love you, Ma.
Hello, Malola. Happy birthday. I wish and pray for your good health and happiness. Thank you so much po for everything. Happy birthday po.
Manayong, happy birthday. May you have many, many more birthdays to come. Siguro ko Manayong, kung wala ka, wala rin ako sa ganitong lugar. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Again, happy birthday.
Happy 75th birthday, Tia Salome. Salamat sa pagiging ikaduwang ina. May kang mga panahon na saradit pa kami na sa gabos ming pangangaipo, may kwarta ka sa dae. Basta kaipuhan mi ang tabang mo, dae ka lamang nagsasayuma. Lalong-lalo na kung may hilang sipa, kung na-hospital, yaunan sa imong pag-anduyog sa mo, lalo kung dae si Ma. Salamat sa gabos na tabang mo sa mo, sa samuyang pag-ireskwila, sa samuyang pang-urual daw na kaipuhan kung nasa Manila si Ma. Dakulang pasasalamat ko sa imo, na dai ko malilingawan, sagkod pa man ang gabos-gabos mong tabang sa pagiging ikaduwaming ina. Maut ko na tawang ka pa man lugod nin halawig na buhay, asin tawang ka ni maray na lawas na ma-enjoy mo pa sa imong senior years. Happy birthday, Tia Salome.
Go.
Happy birthday, May. Maut ko na tawang ka pa sa ang Diyos ang halawig pang nabuhay. May salamat sa gabos. Napapahibi ako dahil bako ini para sa kaugmahan ko sa imo. Sa tuwing pag-iba-iba.
Dahil kung malingawan me, ang sa imong karahayan, ang pagtabang mo sa muya, siringan sa kuyang pamilya. Kaya umahon mo niyan, iniluha ini sa kaumahan. Dahil sa pagtiwas sin karahayan magkairiba kita. Salamat sa imo. Dahil katapasan kong pasalamat sa imo. Birthday manggiraray ulit.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Ma. Praying for your good health and more birthdays to come. Wishing you all the best in life and mag-ingat kayo dyan palagi ni Pa.
Happy birthday. Mag-inom na parating bulong sa tamang oras. Dahil na masyado magparapagal. Iyan dapat ang kaipuanin do. Kamanduhan ni Pa. Kung pwedeng ipabaya na sa mga yaon dyan na tugang may ang negosyo dyan, mas okay siguro. Happy birthday. Ingat parate. And see you soon.
We love you. Ingat
Love
kayo
you.
dyan palagi ni Pa. Enjoy your birthday, Ma. Hope you enjoy your birthday today. Thank you so much for everything. Ingat po.
Ingat. Sana ma-surprise ka.
Happy birthday